Ay grabe oh, laki oh. Laking rockfish, pero we have to follow the rules and regulation. One rockfish a day. So, yan. It's your day. Not today. Not today. So, papakawalan natin siya. Let's see. Basta mabasa. Yan. Whoops! Oh, he's alive and kicking. There he is. Live and well. See you next time. Woo! Thank you, Lord. Sarah.